Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mathematics by Fernand. Today let us see exercise 10.1, that is chapter 10 circles of class 10 maths. But before that, if you haven't watched our introduction to circles video, watch them and come back soon continuing this video. Now the first question goes, how many tangents can a circle have? It is infinitely many. For a circle, we can draw a tangent here, we can draw at many places. Each point of the circle can act as a point of contact and make as many tangents. So, infinite number of tangents can be made. Next question, fill in the blanks. A tangent to a circle intersects it in dash point 1. It has only one point of contact. Now, second question. A line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called a secant. From our introduction video, we know that a line crossing 2 points of a circle is called a secant. A circle can have dash parallel tangents at the most. For a circle, we can draw a tangent. It should have another parallel tangent. We can draw it parallelly at the opposite point. This has one point of contact, this is second point of contact. We cannot draw any more tangents, but we can draw secants, chords and so on. So, the circle can have only 2 parallel tangents at the most. Now, the common point of a tangent to a circle and the circle is called point of contact. Now let us see the third question. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at a point Q, so that OQ is equal to 12 cm. Length of PQ is A 12 cm, B 13 cm, C 8.5 cm and D root of 119 cm. Let us draw the diagram first. Let us draw a circle. Center is O and radius is 5 cm. This P. They have said that a tangent PQ and the line joining O and Q makes 12 cm. We have to find the length of PQ. By theorem 10.1, we know that angle OPQ is 90 degrees. That is, the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Therefore, angle OPQ becomes 90 degree. And now we get triangle OPQ, a right angle triangle. We know by Pythagoras theorem, OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. Substituting their values, OQ square is 12 square, OP square is 5 square, that is our radius, plus PQ square. We get 144 is equal to 25 plus PQ square. 144 minus 25 is equal to PQ square, which gives us 119 is equal to PQ square. Taking square root, we get plus or minus root 119. As this is length, we take it as positive. So we get root 119 cm. That is option D. Now let us see fourth question. Draw a circle and 2 lines parallel to the given line such that one is a tangent, the other is a secant to the circle. Let's draw the circle and a line. Let the line be L. We have to draw 2 lines such that one is a tangent. Tangent is a line that touches the circle at a single point. This is tangent AB, touching at point P. And another line parallel to them, and it should be a secant. Secant is something which crosses the circle at 2 points. This can be PQ. By this we come to the end of exercise 10.1. Thank you. Happy learning.